Hi, Mimi. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Hi, Mimi. Hi. You want a treat? Does Jake want a treat? Ooh. You want this? You want to sit for me? Jake, want to sit? Sit. Jake, sit. 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 Thank you. Get it. Guess I'll show you guys my backyard real quick. Here's the patio thing. And then some more area back there. And yeah. My room is right there. Bedroom, two spare bedrooms. And the rest of my backyard. Yep. Boo. Oh, my bird. Hi. Hi, Brat. Hi. And there's the other brat. There's the other brat. And then I'll show you my other birds here. Okay. That one's I don't know who that is. That one's retard. He has an equilibrium problem, and his head's always crooked, and he can't put it up straight. Huh. Hi, retard. Hi, retard. And you're ugly. Dark hallway. Front door. Other areas. In my room. My room. Yay. Computer. Big screen. My bed.